Are you a meat lover? Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with a variety of flavorful beef from different cow breeds. Introducing 5 remarkable cow breeds known for their delectable meat. 1. Angus. With its marbled and tender meat, Angus beef is a true carnivore's delight. 1. Known for its exceptional taste and juiciness, Angus is a top choice for steak lovers. 2. Wagyu. Prepare yourself for the ultimate indulgence. 2. Wagyu beef, originating from Japan, is famous for its unmatched tenderness and rich, buttery flavor. 2. Each bite is a symphony of taste. 3. Hereford. Renowned for its well-marbled and juicy meat, Hereford beef boasts a delicious balance of flavors. 3. Whether grilled or roasted, Hereford will leave you craving more. 4. Limousin. If you seek lean yet succulent meat, Limousin beef is your go-to. 4. Its tenderness and natural flavor make it perfect for a variety of culinary creations. 5. Charolais. Known for its lean and healthy meat, Charolais beef offers a delightful combination of tenderness and flavor. 5. Savor the purity of each bite. Get ready to experience the mouth-watering diversity of beef with these exceptional cow breeds. Elevate your culinary adventures and indulge in the exquisite taste of premium meat.